Washing your merino wool is easy. When it comes to proper care, one word underpins it all: gentle. Whether it's machine washed or hand washed. When using a washing machine, you'll want to use a gentle cycle setting, but don't worry if your machine doesn't have a delicate setting. Use the lightest option available. As for water temperature, always choose cold. And finally, you can use regular detergent, a gentle detergent, or specialty wool detergent if you want to be a bit fancy. By the way, if you get a stain and don't need to wash the entire item, just use a damp cloth and detergent without rubbing. Just blot. For complete washing, you'll turn everything inside out. The main concern with superfine merino is pilling, so by turning everything inside out, we can reduce the risk of friction against the exteriors. Before starting the machine, double-check the care labels to ensure everything is machine washable. Most of Unbound Merino's clothing is, but knit articles like the Merino cardigan are hand wash only, and of course, wash darks and lights separately. As the washing machine runs, let's move on to hand washing, an especially useful skill while traveling. First, wash the sink and rinse it clean. Then, fill the sink with cool water, adding a small amount of detergent. About a teaspoon is all you need. Next, submerge everything and set a timer for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, agitate lightly, but avoid rubbing or scrubbing. Remember, gentleness is key. Once those 15 minutes have passed, drain the sink, pressing down on the clothes to remove as much of the soapy water as possible. Then, rinse under cool, full blast water for about 45 seconds per item to remove all the detergent. For pre-drying, you don't want to wring aggressively. Fold each piece and press down firmly to squeeze out as much water as possible. As we move on to drying, there are a few key principles. First, no heat should be involved, so don't use the drying machine even on the cool setting. But also, no direct sunlight either to prevent fading. For most merino items, the best way to dry is to lay flat and keep the pieces as open as possible. If you have the space, laying on towels will speed up drying. But if laying flat isn't possible, draping is a secondary option. Specifically for woven items like dress shirts and pants, air drying on a hanger is best. Remember, being gentle at every step is the key to preserving your Unbound Merino. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll enjoy your Unbound Merino for years to come.